Jamaican slang. Yes, Jamaican slang. I that with you, you know. I that with you. What they're saying? That's how you are. That's the way you are. If it tell you. Yeah, you Jamaicans say, if it tell you. What they're saying? They're showing agreement with something. Yes, that I've been told. I saw the thing set, man. I saw the thing set. Yeah, man, I saw the thing set. That's the way it is. That's the situation. Ah, yeah, so nice. Yeah, man. Ah, yeah, so nice. Expression used when one is having a good time. Jamaica having a good time and them daddy party. Them say, ah, yeah, so nice. Me say, ah, yeah, so nice. Bad chargy. Young guy on the street. You're talking about young guy on the street. Bait up. I bait him on, come bait me up, you know. Set someone up. Jamaicans say the bait up, bait up. Big man thing, a big man thing. Yes, it's grown up. Yes, grown up business, grown up, yeah, grown up thing. Breathe easily. Yet you're not Jamaican upon the corner. Jamaican say, breathe easy, man, breathe easy. They're telling you to relax, calm down. Yes. Boy, you look bush. Jamaican say you look bush. You look awful, not looking good. Ben, B-E-N, upset or angry. Boy, he wants me to have some cheddar. Yeah. Cheddar. Jamaican talking about money. Lordy cranny, man. I look so cranny. Looking, yeah, awful or slim. Yeah? Jamaicans ain't look cranny. It looks very slim. Yep. Dupes. They're talking about their friend. Fluffy. Someone who's fat. We didn't even say fat. Who is chubby. Or you say plumpy. Gallus. I want gallus that, you know. Watch it, what gallus that, you know. A male who likes a lot of female. Jamaicans say he's a gallus. Not me. Somebody, your friend or somebody say they'll knock you. What they're talking about, they call you, yeah, or text you, yeah. Load up the thing. You're at a party. And them say, load up the thing, no man. They're telling you to turn it up. Turn up the music, yes. Mad. Me said the session mad, you know? Yo, man, mad. Yes, the session was awesome. It was nice. It's good. Jamaican said mad. Remember me tell you, you know. Remember me tell you. What you're saying. They did, say for instance, something happened, right? They did tell you about it already and it happened. Jamaicans say, remember me did tell you, you know. Remember me did tell you. Or even if it don't happen, they make sure reminding you, remember if it happened, me did tell you. Yeah, Jamaican that. Me a forward. I am coming. Yeah, Jamaican. You call him or something and say, me a forward. He's coming. Militantly. You Jamaican talk about militantly. They say taking action. I'm not back down, you know. No. Jamaica now back down militantly. Yeah. More life, more strength, my brother. Wishing someone well. Yeah. He looks shabby, man. Someone who does not take care of themselves. Jamaicans say they look shabby. If you find these little slang informative, yeah, interesting, like, share, and subscribe to Jamaican Culture with Share. And I thank you for watching. Bless up.